All right, freshmen, this is going to be a quick one here. I'm just going to go over the basics of how to use our online library catalog to find books that might relate to your topic for your research paper. Okay, these resources can also be used for any class that you might need to find books or information on. Don't think that the internet is the only line of information out there. We have plenty of books and resources in our library. This is also a way that you can find novels that you might be interested in reading. So this is access to all of the books that we have currently available to you in both our elementary and high school libraries. Hopefully you're sticking to high school at this point now that you are freshmen. Okay. So here's our link to our Media Center website. This is also on our Sleepy Eye High School website. If you go to your student links page, you can scroll down and there's a Media Center link. This will bring you here. This is also linked on your Schoology page for English 9. Okay, so this is the basic main home page. What we want to do is we want to switch up here from home to catalog. And that'll bring up this search bar like you would see on any database. Okay, let's say that I'm looking to find information on Maya Angelou. I'm going to type her name in here and I'm going to look up by keyword. And it looks like we have a number of books about Maya Angelou. The first thing that I want to take a look at is where the book is located. Okay, so the first entry here, it says sublocation elementary, or ELEM. This is going to mean that the book that you're looking for is actually in the elementary library. So this might not be the greatest pick for a high school level class. So I'm going to keep taking a look here. The second one does look like it's located in the high school, so that's a much better start. And the call number says 921ANG. Okay, so this is going to show me where in the library to look for this. Remember, when you walk into our media center and you're looking from where the computers are towards the books, the right side of the media center closer to the high school gym is going to be fiction. So those are going to be books that are stories that are made up. And the books on the left-hand side are going to be more of your reference-based books, your books that are nonfiction about topics and events and people. And so I'm going to want to look on that left side of the library underneath the windows for this call number 921ANG. So there's going to be a number of books that are listed with the 921 number. So I also want to make sure that I'm looking for that ANG because that helps specify which book. Okay, and then I'm going to be looking for Maya Angelou, More Than a Poet as the title. Okay. Once I find my book, I can go get that checked out. The other thing I want to make sure that you pay attention to as well is up here. It says 1 of 1 available. That means that it is currently in stock on the shelf in the library. Okay, so it's currently checked in. If it were to say 0 of 1 available, it means somebody already got to that book and checked it out before you, so it's not available. If that were the case, then I would have to keep looking for a different book, which it looks like there's a number about and by Maya Angelou in our library, so that's great. If you have any questions on how to use these search functions, just let me know. Otherwise, that's it for this video.